Life Smoothies food truck. It was a finished product, now it's under demo again. It was some framing that actually bumped out from last time, bumped out here to cover over top of this, over the sliding door. So what I'm doing now is I took that framing out to try to get some inches back here, but this doesn't work. I got what, 13 inches, which is actually a little bit more when this goes further back, so probably like say 1 more inch, 14 inches. And of course you try to open up the refrigerator, that's not gonna work. Also, I'm skinny, but I still gotta slide through like this. So the new thing here is, of course, move this out. Before I move it out, move this out, and this cold service table, boom, gonna go in this location. Here, I'm still gonna, rock all this up, TV inside here, rock that up, still gonna look, all this as it should. But it just sucks that this wall had to come out, this wall had to come out too, because this was framed out as well. And I'm just going to sheet rock on this and then use some sort of power grab or liquid nails over top of this. That should catch. What I'm gonna do here, boom, move this over here, so that'll go in this location. Boom. Of course it'll go all the way in there. The other way. This is the way it is right now. I'm just trying to do a little bit of demo of what it's going to be like. So, of course now you got your base cabinet in here. I'll do it instead of side walking like this. I can definitely walk. It's not the best, but we'll get back. Instead of 13 inches or whatever that was, you get up to 19 inches, which is good. I can open up the door a lot better. It's not the best in the world, but again, this is what it is. And also this can get readjusted as well. I see that this refrigerator is the depth right here is smaller and it gets bigger here, so I can push that back a little bit and probably get maybe close to 20 inches, which is, I'm cool with that. So if you still walk through here, cabinet's gonna be here, base cabinet's gonna be here, it's gonna be a 24 here, then I can probably put 2 5-foots. 5 foot here, 5 foot here, and another, that 15 or 18 is gonna go right here, then another 18 right there. And that's it. So everything works, everything's still functional, and I ain't had to, all they had to do is just demo out, just the wooden studs here, and then I gotta rerun, all the conduit that has to go into the next one over here. Because another piece of sheetrock has to go here, and sheetrock, of course, over. I'm gonna drill into these, and then boom, I might have to liquid nails over this. So that's where I'm at right now. While I'm busting my ass, working. I want y'all to enjoy the good life. This is Kersey signing off. All right.